Hey everyone, this is Jay with LMR. Today we'll be going over the process on how to remove the rear bumper on your 94 to 04 Mustang. This removal is a simple one to do with basic hand tools in your driveway. Let's go over these steps and show you how it's done. First, open the trunk. Locate the inner trunk liner and remove all push pins and wing nuts. Peel back or remove the liner to access the bumper cover retaining nuts. Remove all the nuts located in the trunk. There will be 2 on each of the passenger and driver side of the trunk. And then 3 in the center below the latch. Raise the rear of the vehicle next by using your lift or Jackson jack stands. On the rear quarter panel opening, locate the Phillips head screws and remove these. There will be 2 of these per side. Remove all the push pins on the bottom edge of the bumper cover. There will be 1 on each side and 3 located in the center of the bumper. Once all of the hardware is off, carefully pull down on each side of the bumper to clear all of the attaching studs. Slide the bumper rearwards. Having your friend here can also help you out. As far as the bumper removal process goes, this one's pretty straightforward. This should take you about 30 minutes in your driveway, and having a buddy to assist you can really help you prevent any unwanted scratches or anything else on your paint job. To see more how-to videos covering industry-leading products, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go ahead and like this video, turn on notifications, and as always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.